This is how you can recover and read deleted messages on Telegram. This is how it works. Someone sends you a message, you receive it. This message gets deleted. This app will recover this message, be it a video, a voice note, audio, or picture. It will be recovered. So head to the Play Store now, install this app, open it and give the necessary permissions and allow notification access. With this app will function very well. We are selecting the app. Since you are interested with Telegram, I will be choosing Telegram. Once anyone sends you a message, deletes it, you will still get to see this message. The time, the date, and whoever sent it will be shown. Allow notification access. With this, you are good to go. Once you launch this app, if there is any deleted message on Telegram, it will be shown here. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.